Crystal Cap Cleaners. For over 20 years, our patented system has been online in over 250 robotic paint shops worldwide. The high-speed impeller provides the most efficient cleaning and drying action, delivering a clean, dry atomizer in the shortest time cycle, while using a minimum of fluid and air, reducing the cost of operation to the lowest in the industry. Over the past few years, the requirements of auto paint shops has shifted from solvent savings to the drying of the clean atomizer and a reduced total cycle time in the color change and clean cycle. Crystal Cap Cleaners has the solution for these new demands: the CC3000 series cleaners. New high-speed drying collar, a modified, more aggressive impeller, an improved drain system, and an optional purge-assisting flush action. Crystal Cap Cleaners present these new specialty custom units to meet each paint line requirement. One-step purge and clean short cycle, improved cleaning, improved drying, lowest cost of operation. Crystal Cap Cleaners continue to provide a premium proven product that meets the challenges and outperforms the competition while maintaining a modest, affordable value.